seems unlikely now that any piece of news can change the current market sentiment. However, it is possible and we may witness a recovery of the US dollar. What events can trigger such a drastic change? To find it out, watch our video calendar for traders on InstaForex TV. On Monday, the US dollar may be unable to reverse the downtrend ahead of the IFO report on business climate in Germany. Analysts predicted that the index advanced, but a fall is not ruled out as well, so the report may show deterioration of the business sentiment. If the actual reading comes short of expectations, then the American currency will have the chance to recoup losses. At the same time, the United States is also expected to deliver downbeat statistics. On Tuesday, the conference board is due to release the Consumer Confidence Index, a key gauge of the economy's health. The forecast suggests a decline. Most analysts anticipate that the US dollar may resume a rally next week, as there are no other currencies that are worth buying. The US economy is considered to be relatively stable under the current global economic conditions. This assumption may be confirmed by the data that is scheduled for release on Wednesday. The US durable goods orders report will see the light. Experts who monitor the US macroeconomic statistics predict that this report will show an increase of 0.2% at least. Probably there is one more economy that can be characterized as stable. It is New Zealand. Here, the Reserve Bank will hold a monetary policy meeting on Wednesday. At the previous meeting, the regulator decided to reduce the interest rate to 1.5%, and after that, the economic growth accelerated, thus justifying the introduced measures. As widely expected, the RBNZ will highlight the positive changes at the upcoming meeting, which can provide support to the New Zealand dollar. On top of the above-mentioned events, traders will observe the following statistics. On Tuesday, New Zealand will deliver the trade balance data, while Japan will unveil the minutes of yesterday's monetary policy meeting. On the same day, the new home sales data will see the light in the United States. On Wednesday, the GfK Consumer Climate Index will be published in Germany, and the United States will release the trade balance report that is directly connected with the US-China trade conflict. You are watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.